Hey guys, I'm Danny from Allpress London and I'm going to show you how to make our signature Good Brew Soda. Yeah. Okay, so the Good Brew Soda. Why is it called the Good Brew Soda? It's because it's based off our blend, the Good Brew. Nice and citrusy, fruity, caramel. So ice, as much as you want. 25 mils of coffee shots. Okay, I'm stopping there.
Take a sip.
Then, for a bit of sweetness, add maple syrup. Depending on how sweet you want it, add as much as you want. Then soda, 125 mils. Some people say this is a really nice variation of like a cola or like a really refreshing summer drink. And then, for extra sweetness, add some orange. There you have it. Good Brew Soda. It's like a cola. It's got that great caramel flavor with the maple and that citrus orange twist. I don't like how I said Good Brew Soda.